When I saw it online from Paper House, I contacted them immediately and I said, I love this. Can I have one? And they sent one to me. So full disclaimer, I reached out and they were so generous to send one to me because I can see my fall setup in here. Let's talk about what this is. This is a vegan leather notebook. Now, this is luxury vegan leather. Okay, they've had other previous vegan leathers before in their lineup, but this one is super special, not just on the outside, but the inside as well. We'll get to that in a second. This is inspired by Japan and it's elegant beauty. It's simplified elegance. It has beautiful covers, obviously. One is a dot grid, and the paper is fairly thick. I mean, I have used some of their traveler's notebooks before, and these are thick. I would say about 100 GSM. So that one's dot grid, and this one is also dot grid as well. But it has this gold foiled cover that has this texture on it. Totally lovely. Let's go ahead and talk about the inside of this lovely beauty. So this journey books, and that's what they call all of their traveler's notebooks at Paper House. It's nothing special other than the fact that they wanted to trademark this actual wording themselves. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Obviously, you can see that it has 4 strings. Get this, it has a zipper pocket on the inside here. Now, it only goes a couple inches, but how helpful it would be for change. Like that's the only thing my traveler's notebooks have never been able to hold is change. So I'm very excited about that. It has 4 elastics, which is just fine, works for me very well. And it has this ID pocket. Normally these pockets are a lot smaller. I love the fact that this is a full length ID pocket. So you can put your driver's license in here, or it's just a see-through pocket to decorate. Again, this has slanted pockets, unlike a lot of the other pockets, which are horizontal. So that's a helpful hint. And then it has 2 pockets here, 2 full pockets. And then this actually is a full pocket and it goes all the way there. And then it has this pen loop. But I love how pretty this is. I think it's going to look wonderful this fall, especially when I get it all set up. So there you go. That is what's going on with the traveler's notebook, along with, it does have a little location pin. Oh, 2 of them. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you look for the setup of this. I'm going to be using my Cocoa Daisy to put inside here because I love the colors, the warm, the white. It's going to look fabulous for fall. Thanks, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.